Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all, my friend? Have you bathed your milk this morning? Today weather felt very pretty. Who see far away there was someone who was go climbing the mountain and facing the valley. Who is he? That reviewer is Pak Tarto. Guys, introduce my Eri Setiawan, mahasiswa Universitas Nusantara Kediri, to describe and show the beauty of Kelut Mountain. Surely you are always just at school. Go go go. Mount Kelut, which has a myriad of beauty, we can enjoy at any time. In the morning, we can enjoy the sunrise on the eastern horizon with a white mist. During the day, we can enjoy a very extraordinary view of Mount Kelut. As far as the eye can see only beauty. Toward the afternoon, we can also enjoy the beauty when the eye see out the western horizon. Want to capture those moments? Please visit Mount Kelut Argo Tourist Sukiwaras Village, Ngancar Kediri, Village. No, not just shopping there, the development of this tourist spot is truly extraordinary. You can be spoiled by a variety of artificial tour source as a flower garden in the area of Suro of statue of Margomulyo Park. Moreover, this one in the location of adventure off-road on the Kelut slope with extreme challenge, while looking at the other side of Mount Kelut. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. We have arrived at Kelut Mountain Park. So like this, our parking lot and the place here will not be wrong in B and right. Then we want to walk up to see the secret. Let's go. Mount Kelut is one of the most sought after natural tourist destination for tourists to enjoy the climb of the natural beauty. In addition, to being able to enjoy the beauty of Mount Kelut International. In this place, we can also see one spot that gives the nickname of unique and interesting story. One and also three to drive on off-road that can be treated of over panorama view and cool natural beauty of the mountain in the area of Kediri itself. Mount Kelut natural tourist object located in area of Sukiwaras Village, Ngancar district, about 40 km east of Kediri city. Its natural object tourist are also served at Mount Kediri tourist attraction. Or tourists who have off-road heavy weekend off-road section with trail as far as 20 km. For those of you who want to try it, provided by the manager and the location. By renting an off-road vessel, we can enjoy a vacation at Mount Kelut tourist object with spiral track of for my vlog today at Kelut Mountain. I hope you enjoy it. Just like me, so be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the ring button so you won't miss any notification when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching my video and share as much as possible. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.